everyone, so this is going to be part 2 of my empties. So if you did not see part 1, I covered every makeup product that I used up in 2020. I had a goal to use up 20 makeup products, so definitely check out that video if you are interested in seeing like makeup empties. And if you want to know if I hit my goal or not, then please check out that video. Otherwise, this is going to be part 2. This is all my regular kind of like bath and body and just kind of regular empties. So if you guys are interested in seeing what is in my empties box, then please keep watching. So if you've ever seen empties, you already know like the top like 3 products that are going to be in here. They're in here. So my all-time favorite hair dye, L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum Extreme Platinum. That's what I use to lighten my hair. Then I dyed my hair silver in October, and this is what I used. I'm going to be doing a video on this as well, so I feel like I'm kind of like giving you a little inside scoop on it, but this is what I use to do my current gray silver hair. So this is the Pravana ChromaSilk Vivids, and the color is just silver. So I had 3 boxes of these. I used 2 complete ones, and then I have like maybe a half of one left. So yeah, that is what I used for this silvery gray hair color. I definitely filmed a little bit of the fading process, but honestly, I'm just gonna have to save all my thoughts for that video and let you guys know what I think about it, but that is the gray silver that I used for my hair color. I also have another one of my Feria conditioners. Usually I save these for diluting my silver hair colors and stuff, so I probably have about 8 of these, no lie, in my bathroom closet. I just keep those on hand to dilute whenever I'm doing like my silvery gray hair colors, and if I need a little bit more product, or if I just want to like kind of tone it down a little bit, I will typically use those to do that. Okay, next I have, of course, as always, I have some of the Epielle Makeup Wipes. This was the vitamin C one. I get these from Big Lots. This one is the 60 pack for $2, or you can get the 30 pack for $1. I love them. They're so good. This one is, they actually like rebranded, I think. So this is still Epielle, but it's like a different look. So this one is the cucumber one, and this was the 30 one. So I got this one for $1. I love those. I love Epielle. I just go back and forth to what I use. These I got back like at the beginning of quarantine. And it's the Pure and Gentle makeup remover. I got these from Walmart because I wasn't going places, so I didn't want to go to an extra store to go get like my makeup wipes, because I feel like I only get these at Big Lots. So I ended up getting these. These were like, I don't know, maybe $1 or $2. I didn't really like these as much. They got me through. They were 30 wipes, but I would not repurchase those, especially since I love the Epielle ones so much. But yeah, I was trying to like not go everywhere, especially at the beginning of quarantine. Okay, the next things I used up were some moisturizers. These were both from BoxyCharm. This one I really loved so much. This one is the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. I loved this one, but I don't think I would repurchase it just because I'm a cheap ass, and this is probably like $30, $40 or something ridiculous, maybe even more, who knows. But I really did like this one a lot, so I'm hoping maybe I'll get it in a BoxyCharm again, or maybe they'll have it in one of their little sales. But I loved this one. It was so good. And then another one, this one is another expensive one. This one was probably like ridiculously expensive. If I had to say, it was probably like 80 bucks or something ridiculous. This is Murad. This is the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So it's technically like an under eye cream. I use it all over my face anyway, and I liked it again. I'm not super picky with moisturizers just because I have a very dry skin, so pretty much any like decent moisturizer will make my skin feel good. But I did like these a lot, but I would definitely not repurchase any of those. Let's see, this was a face mask I used up. This one was from 111 Skin, and this one is the Rose Gold Brightening Face Mask. So this one was one that I got in a BoxyCharm, and I think it came a set of, I don't know, maybe like 3 or 4, maybe 5, I don't know, but I remember doing the math on this one, and it came out to being like $27 for one sheet mask. Absolutely not. Did not do anything different than any regular sheet mask. I think if you spend more than $1 on a sheet mask, I think you're crazy. And that's just my opinion. I think they're all the same. I also used up a pack of these Biore charcoal pore cleansing strips. My boyfriend really likes doing these as well, and so yeah, usually I'll end up like sharing with him and stuff. So yeah, we like these. I feel like they don't do as good of a job on my nose as they do on his. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like every time we do these, I'm like, okay, show me your nose strip, show me your nose strip, because I just have to see, because It's insane. It's insane. I feel like it doesn't do as nearly a good of a job on me as it does on him. So yeah, these, I'm not really particular with like having to have the Biore ones. These are just the ones that I had at the time. But I get the really, really cheap like dollar store ones too. So I'm not picky, but yeah, these are good. Okay, then I also did a foot peeling mask. This one is from, it's a Korean brand. It's called K Aesthetics. Is that the brand? Earth Therapeutics Ltd. I don't know. It's one of those foot peeling masks. This one says it's for men. I don't care. I used it anyway. It's a Purifying Charcoal Gentle Foot Peeling Mask. These, I'm actually not gonna lie, I don't really think it made my feet peel. I don't think it did. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I did this like right before like vacation and I feel like it didn't, I don't think it did. Anyway, that one I think I got from Walmart, but I really like the Korean ones. I feel like those actually do a good job. Okay, the next thing I kind of used up, but not really, but kind of, is this Cognac facial cleansing sponge. I think I got this from a BoxyCharm. It's from the brand Wyld. It was just like a French pink clay one. I've kind of used it up, but it's kind of like you can't really use those up, but I don't know. I'm including it as a product that I've used up because it's starting to kind of like fall apart a little. Okay, now I have some lotions, hand lotions and body lotions that I used up. So the first one I actually used up today, so I was glad. This one is from Victoria's Secret. It is a Bombshell one. I'm sure I got this like in like a Christmas gift set from like probably 2 Christmases ago, but somehow I have so much lotion, and not even like the Bath & Body Works lotions that I buy every year. I end up with a lot of Bath & Body Works stuff because I only buy at the end of the year and buy lotions for like $3 instead of like $16. So I'll have a lot of those, but then I'll have these like random ones that I don't know where they come from, and I'm trying to like work through all of those. So I only have like a few lotions. But yeah, so I used up that one, and then I used up, this was like a random one. It's from Simple Pleasures. It's called Vanilla Bloom Hand Cream. This one I think I kept in my desk at work because 2020 has been the year of dry hands. Absolutely the year of dry hands. So I have a few more hand creams that are definitely almost on the brink of being used up, but they're not done yet. But with the amount of times I've washed my hands, I feel like, how do I have any skin left on my hands? And then some Bath & Body Works ones I used up. I did kind of like cut these up because I feel like you always have a little bit of lotion left in these. So this one I would totally repurchase. I didn't see it this year whenever I purchased my Bath & Body Works lotions. I was kind of bummed. I feel like their deal wasn't as good. Like I remember last year getting some lotions for like $3 and change, and I feel like these were like $4.95 a piece, and I'm like, it's not as good as they usually are. But this one was Spiced Gingerbread Swirl. Ugh, so good. I love this one so much. I would totally repurchase this one, but only on sale. I will never pay, what is it, $13.50. I wouldn't pay $13.50 for these, even though I love them. I just wouldn't when I know I can wait until the end of the year and get them for like $4 instead of $13. And then the other one I used, this one was the Champagne Toast. I like this one, it was okay, but not one that I feel like, oh, I need to have that one again. And there's still a little bit lotion left in here, but at some point you just gotta throw it away. You just got to. So those are the lotions. And then the last few things I used up were just some of the Scentsy Wax. I have tons of them. I love these so much. So, okay, the first one I have here, this one's called Marshmallow Crispies by Scentsational. Oh yeah, smells exactly like Fruity Pebbles. Yes, I would totally recommend these. These are like $1 or $2 from Walmart. This one is from Scentsational. It's called Ice Cream Shoppe. Oh yeah, smells so good. So good. It's like a raspberry strawberry, like, love that one. Okay, this one I've had a million times before. It's Pistachio Macaroon by Better Homes and Gardens. This one is a #1 pick too. Yes, I'm going to smell every single one of these. Okay, another. This is like S tier, like #1. This is Scentsationals, and I feel like you can only get in the fall time, so it might be already passed for these, but I have like probably 5 of these like stockpiled. This one is Scentsationals Pumpkin Marshmallow Cream. Again, I die when I smell this one. Yes, oh, they smell so good. So good. Okay, and the last one, this one is the Better Homes and Gardens. This one is Strawberry Pretzel Bars. Again, another, this one you can actually smell the pretzel too. Like you can smell strawberry, but you can smell the pretzel too. God, I don't want to get rid of these just because I like smelling these and remembering how good they smell, but I gotta get rid of them. So yeah, that is my entire box of empties. These are my just regular empties. If you do want to see more of my specifically makeup products empties that I have used up, then definitely go check out that video. I was very, very surprised at how it turned out, and it felt really good just to like really make an effort to use up stuff that I have. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.